Okay, so welcome to the Inventory Pro tutorials. So first we're going to show you how to add a property. You would simply go to Perform an Inventory. You would add the new information. Here we're going to use Siri, test, which doesn't work.
You mess up, just do it again. I'll just crop this out.
3-bedroomed terraced property. So once you've added the basic property details, it'll ask you whether you want to use a generic template. This is what you would use if you're in a property and the property has the same carpets, curtains, walls, ceilings, light fittings, etc. etc. So you'd simply press Setup Generics and you'd fill in the room information here. Now, so we'll use flooring for example. All the floors throughout the property have wood. You would then take a picture of that. You can take one off your roll, or you can take one using the camera. You can then specify the condition, and then you can put in more information. So here, for example, again, I'm going to use the voice recognition, but you can use abbreviations such as all these here. You can also add abbreviations of your own. The floors throughout the property are all wood. This is just going shocking. It's not doing anything. Test.
Test. That's good, isn't it? I think we're trying to write it first.
I think it was recording the sound better though. Well, let's see what.
Just continue on.
Alright, okay.
I'll crop all the bits that are actually good.
Okay, so we're going to add a preloaded comment. The floors are all in a good order. Insert and then done. You can also add your own abbreviations, so we can add a new one and we can say good order throughout. And save. Go back and it will add that in for us. Good order throughout the property. So if we can then say insert and done. You can see there it's added that for you. Now that abbreviation will now be saved on that dictionary for you forever. So we've added the flooring. That's going to give that throughout the property. We've added the condition. We've added a picture. We press save. We can then do the same for ceilings, curtain blinds, doors, anything you want to do. Once you've finished with those generics, you simply press finish, go back into the property, you then confirm your check-in date, and then you add your rooms. So firstly we'll go to our interior rooms, and here you use the generic room builder. So we're going to add a bathroom, we're going to add 3 bedrooms, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. We've got 2 reception rooms, we've got a lounge, add, and we've got a kitchen, add. If we press done now, those generic items that we've completed will be used throughout every room we've added. Here you can see where you can save a lot of time. Now you've added these rooms, you then simply go into each room. Let's go into the lounge. Again, we can add a picture of the room to give a general condition. We can take a video of the room here, again to give a general condition. We can add condition stars, and then we can add abbreviations about that room. So this room has been professionally cleaned throughout. Again, so we're going to add that. So professionally cleaned throughout. And there it is for you. So we can insert that and we're done. Again, that's there now for you forever. So anything you go into, you can add that too. So we're going to save that. We've got that in as the general room information, and now it's already dropped in all these generic items for you, which we would have filled in the generic item setup. So if you'd have filled all those in properly, this would now be populated fully for you, and therefore that room would be done. Again, in the same ways, you can add your exterior of the property by adding a front picture, giving a condition. Again, here the items which are set in there are different. We have boundary walls, gates, taps, etc., etc. If you don't want any of these items there, you simply delete them out like so. Again, you can see here you can add keys, take pictures of the relevant keys. You can add meter readings, you can add certificates. Once you finish your inventory, you can save it as a template down here on the bottom left, or you can upload it. If you save it, that template will be saved for another house with 2 bedrooms, whatever it is you may have saved. Okay, so to upload an inventory, once you put in the information, you press the upload button. It then does its thing and sends it up to our cloud server. Okay, it's been successfully uploaded to the internet. Now, if you wanted to go back into that property, you can go back into, you can see here it's been uploaded, but you can click on it and make any changes and press update again. What else do you need to show? No. What else do we need to show?
Changing users. Duplication of the property.
Yeah.
Duplication now.
Okay.
So you notice that.
Okay, a great time-saving measure, especially for those out there who may manage student properties, new build properties. If you've got a number of units with the same internal features, you can use a duplication button to simply copy everything over and add a new address. So very simply, you press the duplicate property. It tells you what to do. You click on the one you want to duplicate. You put in the new information. You change the address and you save. That then will save that whole property with all its information with a different address. Alright? Ish, what else should we do?
You want to talk about changing the user. Say what you want.
Okay, now if you want to change the user in Inventory Pro, simply tap on Change User, add a new user, press the Save button, and there it is. You highlight that user, and then that user's in place for all your inventories. Again, to just change it around, you just go back into it. With Inventory Pro, you can have up to 20 users per company without any extra charges. Shall I do the first